vitamin D. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin. And this chemical name calciferol. Calciferol. And another name anti-ricating vitamin. Anti-ricating vitamin or and free vitamin. Why vitamin D is called as free vitamin? Because of it obtained to our body by free. When you are exposed to sunlight, our body absorbs vitamin D. Next, chemical formula of vitamin D is C28H44O. Next, structure of vitamin D contains 6 carbon 4 rings. 4 carbon rings. In these 4 rings, 3 are 6-membered carbon rings. 1 are cyclopentane ring. 6 carbon rings and 1 cyclopentane ring with additional 1 sterol side chain. Sterol side chain. The structure of vitamin D is one side. Near from observer, away from observer. Functions of vitamin D. Vitamin D functions. Vitamin D is useful for bone growth, bones growth and strength. Next, deficiency. deficiency. By the deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets disease. Rickets disease in children, and osteo in adults. Once you observe, students, vitamin D is one of the fat soluble vitamin, and the chemical name of the vitamin D is calciferol. And vitamin D also contains another name, anti-ricketting vitamin and free vitamin. Next, chemical formula of vitamin D is C28H44O. Next, the structure of vitamin D contains 4 carbon rings. 4 rings. In these 4 rings, 3 rings are 6-membered rings, and 1 ring is cyclopentane ring. And additional to these 4 rings, another sterile side chain is contains. This is the structure of vitamin D, students. Next, sources: exposure to sunlight. Next, egg yolks and fish. Vitamin D is obtained from sunlight, hence they are called as free vitamin. And also vitamin D is observed from egg yolks and fishes. Next, function: vitamin D by the increase of bone growth. Vitamin D is useful by the increase of bone growth and strength. Next, deficiency: by the deficiency of or low amount of vitamin D causes rickets disease in children and osteomalacia disease in elders. In rickets disease means the bones strength is weak. Bones strength is weak and they are easily breakable. Easily breakable. And this is the about structure of vitamin E. Contains chroman ring. Chroman ring. Chroman ring with additional to vital side chain. Vital side chain. The structure of vitamin E is first chroman ring. Chroman ring, friends. This is the chroman ring with substituent set. 3 structure of vitamin E contains chroman ring. Chroman ring. Chroman ring with additional with additional to vital side chain, vital side chain. The structure of vitamin is first chroman ring. Chroman ring, friends. This is the chroman ring with substituents head. Three substituents. Explain about vitamin E. One fat soluble vitamin, chemical name tocopherol, another name anti-sterility vitamin or beauty vitamin, and chemical formula 2950 O2, and structure one contain chromin ring with substituents and additional vital side chain. The sources it vitamin E is contain fish, eggs, leafy vegetables, and fruits. And the functions of vitamin E is keep immune system stronger against viruses and bacteria. And deficiency of vitamin A causes decrease in the lifespan of RBC. RBC lifespan is 120 days. Normal RBC lifespan is 120 days. But deficiency of vitamin E causes the lifespan of RBC is decreased. And muscle weakness and infertility in men and abortions in women. This is the brief explain about vitamin E.